what I have here is the Shimano chain, and I found that actually it broke into like many different portions of it. So you can see that I actually have the two master links right here, and along the chain I actually have a lot of cracks that are expected. So I'm not sure if Shimano chains are actually tough enough. But I'm not going to give Shimano any more chances to fix on my bike. And so I have right here in my hand is a brand new box of KMC X12. So I'm going to use this chain for right now on this bike that I have. This is the X12, so I'm not too sure if this is going to be tougher than Shimano, but I have lots of reviews coming from the friends and the motorbike guys who claim that KMC is probably better than Shimano chains. Of course, the next better one than this KMC X12 will be the DLC, but it's going to cost like 3 times more than what this is going to be priced at. So let's get ahead and fix this onto the bike right now. So you can see here, this is the KMC chain and this is the Shimano old chain. Let's look at how this thing behaves. So it seems like this part has been like not holding. For new chain, notice that it is really smooth and the links are very flexible. So right now you can go ahead and cut this chain into the correct length. So with the chain tool, I'm going to break this part off. This is the excess. This is going to push this pin out and remove this excess link. So guys, make sure you measure twice. On it once, because there's no return to it. Once you break this pin off, it is too short, you will not have the correct length anymore. Well, if it's too long, obviously you can just remove additional links, so never cut it too short. So we have this chain right now. The both ends should look like this. Where the narrow sides is on both ends. These are two narrow sides, and you need the master link to join these two together. Right, there you go, just like that. So now you have to change loop through, and all you need to do is to join these two ends together. So here you have these master links that goes in on the opposite direction. My preference would be to have this on the back plate, so as it moves up to the chain gears, I want this leading edge to be in contact instead of in this direction. So I mean, I'm not sure if this is the preferred way, but I'm doing it right now in this method. So you're gonna link it up just like that with the other ends on the other side of the chain to hook it in. So you need to have a way to move this derailleur slightly forward to allow the chain to be lengthened. Unfortunately, Shimano doesn't have this feature to hold derailleur, so you have to find some means to hold this derailleur down while you are hooking on the chain. Right, so it's something that I dislike about Shimano stuff, that derailleur. So in order to get around with this design of this derailleur, I will remove the chain from the chain ring and go ahead with this installation just like that. So you don't really need something to hold on to the chain while you're working on fixing the chain. So just give it a little tug, make sure that it's somewhat tight, and then very easily just hook back the chain and you will be able to. Right, so think about how you can do it in a way that it solves your problem easily without buying extra tools. So this is how you can fix it up back the chain without a chain holder or something like that. So you know it's pretty easy. So the next step is to identify this master link that you have attached previously and move it to the top side of the loop. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this master link apart so that it locks into place, but you'll never be able to do it with your hands and you probably need a tool. But then again, the trick here is to move it to the top and give it a kick on the pedal and it will pull the chain up tight. So let's give it a double check on the link, make sure that it's inside the groove, and you're gonna hit the pedal. Hold on to your brakes, lock the brakes, and you're done actually. So the master link is right here, it's locked, and just give it a check. Slacken the chain and make sure it doesn't fall off, and it's good. Guys, it's all done. Really simple. Right guys, really simple method to replace your loop chain, and hope you guys love this video and hope you learned some tricks or two from what I did, and hope you guys come back for more of this video. So I do not really have a lot of DIY stuff, but if I do, it will be useful. So check out my channel, and if you're not subscribed, do remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll be uploading more videos just like this and related to mountain biking usually every week. So see you around guys, bye.